Okay, part 3 of the video. So far so good. Just watch out if you're using a cooking plate like this, the center part is going to be much hotter, so you have to keep moving things around. But it's very fuel efficient and generates a lot of heat, and the whole the cost of the whole thing was only about $5, actually less than $5. One thing you have to know about these type of rocket stoves, where the chambers are in an L shape, you have to push in these pieces of wood or the fire will go out eventually. Unlike the J shape, where it's gravity fed and the wood pieces keep falling in. But you have to attend the food anyway, so just attend the fire, and you have to be around anyway because of the kids. So it's not a big issue. And so far so good. Let's see how it will work out.